Hey, what's up, guys? I want to make a video today sharing with you two niches that I found on merch that are starting to trend, plus one bonus niche. But before I show you those niches, I just want to share with you my two print-on-demand courses that I'm selling on Gumroad. So one is a Merch by Amazon Masterclass. It's a step-by-step beginner's guide for mastering Merch by Amazon. Only $19.99. You get 16 lessons, and it's over an hour of content. This course is good for beginners on merch or for people that are struggling to get sales. And then the one that I have for Redbubble is this one right here. It's also a step-by-step guide for mastering Redbubble. Also $19.99. In this one you get 20 lessons and it's over an hour of content. Also good for people that are new to Redbubble or struggling to get sales on Redbubble. Here are my credentials on merch. So I'm a tier 8,000 seller. I've made over 10,000 sales and I've earned over $35,000 in royalties. And for Redbubble, you'll see the past few months, 266, 317, 243, then it kind of went down, but it's going to start pumping back up again here soon now that we're in Q4. So if you're interested in those courses, the links will be in the description, and I'll also have a pinned comment as well. Now let's get into the content of the video. So the two niches that I have for you are actually pretty funny niches. It's in the Halloween niche, and it's for basically couples that want to wear like matching t-shirts or matching costume outfits. And so the first one is He Likes My Pumpkins. This is going to be for women, and you can see it's only 183 results, and this is what it looks like right here. And then the other one that I have for you is She Likes My Broomstick. So right here you can see only 115 results, and this is what the basically the designs look like. This is very easy to design for. You just have to have some text and put a graphic underneath. If we go to test to take a look at the to see if this is trademarked, He Likes My Pumpkins, we hit enter, we will see nothing pops up. And when we go back to see if the other phrase is trending, I'm sorry, not trending, to see if it's trademarked, we'll just go ahead and type that in real quick so you guys can be double sure. There it is, She Likes My Broomstick. Hit enter. We will see that nothing comes up as well, so those niches are safe, or there's no trademarks for them. When we take a look at the competition on Etsy, there's barely anything. I only found this shirt right here and a couple others for He Likes My Broomstick. If we go to Redbubble, also barely anything. You can see here just 6 results. And actually, I didn't even show you the BSRs on merch because I don't think there are any, because this is a fairly new niche. But just in my experience on merch, these type of designs, like these funny designs like this, especially for Halloween, matching couples, I have a pretty good feeling that these are going to do pretty well. So, and like I've said before, a lot of times these shirts have sold, but the BSR just hasn't been updated yet. So I just spent the past hour or so putting all designs up on all platforms for both of these niches. So, I would highly recommend getting designs up in this niche. But if we go back to Redbubble and TeePublic, you're just going to see that the competition is very low. This is TeePublic right here, and like I keep saying in all my videos, don't sleep on TeePublic. I do anywhere between 200 to 300. For some reason, it's taking really long to load. Okay, there it goes. So He Likes My Pumpkins, only one design up. And if you're looking for graphics, you can just go to Vexels. You can get some pumpkins right here. There's an affiliate link in the description. So if you're interested, check it out. You can get a lot of good graphics. They charge like $20 a month, and in my opinion, Vexels is the best place to get graphics and clip art for merch by Amazon or print on demand, just in general. And then let's take a look at the bonus niche, because I didn't want to do a whole one about this niche because I kind of already talked about it in the last video. This one has to do with Biden pardoning all the marijuana users, and the niche that I recommended a couple days ago was Dank Brandon, but it seems like this niche is actually, or this phrase is doing better, where it's Let's Grow Brandon. So basically this is a play off of the Let's Go Brandon, but instead of Let's Go Brandon, it's saying Let's Grow Brandon, using marijuana leaves, green colors. You can see low competition, 437, and there are BSRs for this one. You can see these are already selling. If you do decide to go into this niche, you just want to make sure that you don't select youth, because that will get you a rejection. But this is also a good little bonus niche that I want to share with you as well. Anytime something comes out in the news with Biden, you just want to like ask yourself or just think like, how can I make some type of play off a word, whether it's regarding dark Brandon or let's go Brandon, because usually, you can make a good phrase like that and it will tend to sell. Okay, and so that's basically going to be it for today. Those are the 2 niches plus the bonus one. If you like this kind of content, consider subscribing. I put out content on a regular basis, just talking about or showing you trending designs, trending niches for Merch by Amazon and other print-on-demand platforms. And I also just give out like general design ideas. So if you're struggling to like come up with ideas on what to design for, you can go ahead and take a look at my channel. Here's my channel right here. I also have some good like playlists, some recent or popular uploads. So come in here, take a look. Just go to home or to playlist, and you can see like my most recent playlist to get some ideas. But yeah, that's basically going to be it. Consider subscribing if you like this content, and check out the courses if you're kind of struggling to get sales. I basically show you how to cross niche. I show you how to find trending niches. I talk about trademarks. It's a pretty in-depth course. It's an hour long, and it's only $19.99. So if you're interested, check it out. If not, it's all good, and I'll catch you on the next one. All right, talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.